Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing. It's been a bit slow lately with the sneaker shopping, I think. Or maybe not. I bought a bunch of them in December. And in January's not been some not so funny releases. Not so good releases. So this is a pair that I bought on sale. Thanks to CJ for letting me know that Nike had a discount code, get20, that gave you 20% on everything, and even the items that were already on sale. So yeah, this is a pair that I don't bother to look for before, and I don't care so much about it now either. It's the Air Jordan 3 Mocha, Air Jordan 3 box with elephant print, and the Air Jordan 3, I sort of don't like them because, first of all, it's a low top shoe. For me, it's a low top shoe, and I don't like low top shoes. Then they are kind of heavy. For being a low top shoe, it's very heavy, but they are very comfortable. For me, it's like SB Dunk Low. I can just wear them more or less without laces. I lace them up very loosely, and I just push my foot in and pull them right off when I don't want to wear them anymore. And it's a very comfortable shoe. It's a clean shoe, clean look. It works with most outfits. And my thought with this Mocha Brown was that it's a stylish color, white sneaker with brown elephant print. Gives a sort of a luxury look of it, casual look. I would wish that the eyelets wasn't chrome. I think that ruins the shoe, and this pair is dirty as well. But yeah, on sale I gave $115, so almost half price. So yeah, I can show you how I usually wear my threes. Loosely like this. I don't tie them, nothing. The laces are in the side of the shoe. But the rubbers on the tongue, it's good enough for keeping the shoes on my feet. And my thought was, I really don't like that they are dirty. I'm gonna show you that in a close-up. To order a Apple Watch strap that's in the same color. I have a couple of brown straps like this one, but the lock mechanism for the Apple Watch is hard to get, so it's much easier to use buy an Apple Watch strap than to use my Panerai straps. But okay. So that was the plan. I contacted a company the day before I bought these, about the strap. That company hasn't even replied me yet. I've emailed them twice now, and Nike sent me the shoes. So I already have the shoes. I think I ordered them. It's Monday today. I think I ordered them like Wednesday night or Thursday night. Yeah, so it's fast shipping. So Air Jordan 3 Mocha. Mocha, I pronounce it very Swedish. I don't know how to pronounce it in English. This pair released, it has only released once before. It released in 2001. It's 18 years ago. And nobody cared about them back then. So the shoes went on sale 18 years ago. Nobody liked them. And then a couple of years later, a bunch of years later, like 10 years later, then people start, you know, when the Jordan hype came, and then people started to like them because they were only released once, sort of rare, yada yada yada. And now, 18 years later, they were released again with better material than 2001. We have the patent leather that looks really good, feels soft. It absolutely have that luxury feeling, luxury look that I like of the Jordan 3s. So yeah, I have nothing to complain about except from this shoe being dirty or if it's glue residue. I think it's even color, so I don't think I'm gonna, maybe I can take it in my knife and scratch it. But 2001, nobody cared. They went on sale. A couple of years later, people start liking them, not hyping them, but liking them. I think Flight Club sold them for less than $300, I think. So over retail, but not that much. And now they're released again. Nobody cared, and they went on sale, plus extra sale. So yeah, if you like Jordan 3 and you want a shoe that you can wear daily without them showing too much, I think they're good. It's dark brown. In some pictures they look lighter in the brown, but it's dark brown, and the part that elephant print is just as soft as it is in a toe, and on the side is harder. So it will not get any patina. My thought was like straps that we call crazy horse that are dark, but when you bend it, let me see if I can show you here. Dark, but when you bend it and twist it, it gets lighter. So I was hoping that these would sort of get some patina over the years, but they won't. So yeah, that's it. I think Jordan 3, I don't like them because they are a low top, but when I wanna dress more adult and wear like I wear today, a dark blue sweatshirt, dark blue jeans, these will be perfect. And with my Apple Watch with matching strap. So and there aren't, I can't think of any other brown Jordans out there at the moment, not at least that are easy to get. So if you want a brown Jordan, I think this is it. Yeah, I think so. But as I said, dark brown, you won't get much attention. Yeah. So I'm gonna do on feet, but the Jordan 3 is always true to size. I haven't experienced any Jordan 3 being wrong in size. Maybe back in 2013, where all the Jordans were crap. I think there were a pair. Did I get the Thunders? No, sorry, not the Thunders Light. I don't know. I got one pair from 2013 that are a bit too big, but these will probably fit just as normal. So yeah, a close up, because I think the quality is, there is nothing to complain about. The leather is, did I say patent leather before? Yeah, I did. I haven't eaten today, so I'm kind of off. It's of course called Tumbled leather. So yeah, the Tumbled leather is nice, even, all over the shoe, not like some shoes that where it's tumbled in the toe and on one side and on the other side nothing at all. And now when we have the Tinker edition, the Tinker look, I sort of miss the Nike swoosh. But for this use, where I'm gonna wear them as a sort of more dressed up shoe, a grown up shoe, more classy shoe, then this is perfect. But on the Jordan 3, now when I've seen the Tinker edition, I sort of missed the Nike swoosh. So yeah, a low top shoe, looks good, good quality. I want to show you closer up. I need to do more unboxing videos because my English is getting bad. So yeah, tumble leather. Now the brown is gonna look really light because I have my light on them. Maybe I think it's more true to see them like this. Brown mocha after the coffee. Tumble leather, soft tumble leather. Some stains, and this bothered me quite much. Yeah, but okay, for the price, I'm not complaining. So yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. It makes it much easier for me to keep on doing videos when I know that you watched them. So yeah, it's only the on foot part missing now. So this is how I wear my threes. I want to keep the original knot, loosen them up, and then I fold the knot on the inside. Maybe it's not so super comfortable to have it on the inside, but that's how I wear them anyway. More or less like a beater shoe. As I said, if you like SB Dunks, you're gonna like these. The SB Dunk is of course more comfortable, especially in suede, because it's one of the most comfortable shoes ever, and they are lighter. These are kind of heavy. So let's see if I untie them enough. Yep, that's it. You should never do that with your shoes because you're gonna break the heel in them. But that's how I wear my threes. This is how they look. Comfortable, looks almost classy. A white shoe with brown details, dark brown details. A very nice shoe, so nothing at all to complain about. Plus that they're on sale in most sizes, still available. With the Air Jumpman on the heel. Yeah, I'm happy. I didn't care to buy them when they were full price, and I didn't have any need for them now either, but yeah, why not? So I can do an unboxing video for you guys. So I hope you like my videos. Give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you think my videos are too long maybe. Yeah, have a nice day.